Welcome. In today's video, we'll explore how meditation can be a powerful tool for self-knowledge, overcoming destructive emotions, and personal growth. Through biblical stories and teachings, we will see how this millennial practice helps us strengthen the will, seek wisdom and connect with the divine. Prepare for a transformative journey that will reveal the limitless potential within each of us. Together, we will discover how meditation can guide us to a life of purpose, peace and deep realization. Let's get started. Chapter 1, The Inner Journey. In the vastness of the cosmos, where the stars twinkle like diamonds on a mantle of black velvet, lies an unfathomable power within each of us. This power is not just a momentary spark of inspiration, it is an eternal flame, fueled by introspection and meditation. Meditation, this ancient art, is a master key that unlocks the doors of our untapped potential. It invites us to an inner journey, where we discover the true meaning of self-control and fortitude. In this passage, we are reminded that ephemeral desires and worldly distractions are only illusions that draw us away from our true essence. Meditation allows us to transcend these illusions, diving into the depths of our soul, where we find the peace and clarity necessary to meet the challenges of life with wisdom and courage. Chapter 2, The Art of Reflection. Meditation is an act of deep reflection. When we allow ourselves a moment of silence and stillness, we can hear the soft voice of our consciousness. This voice is our inner guide, which directs us to the path of righteousness. Taking care of our heart means, above all, taking care of our thoughts and emotions. By meditating, we discipline our mind, cultivate positive thoughts, and strengthen our emotions. This process not only improves our mental well-being, but also enables us to overcome destructive emotions such as anger, fear and envy. Chapter 3, Overcoming Destructive Emotions. In our journey of personal growth, it is inevitable to encounter emotional obstacles. The Bible offers us infinite wisdom on how to deal with these emotions constructively. Here, we learn that anger is human, but letting it control us is a sin. Meditation teaches us to observe our emotions without judgment, allowing us to process them in a healthy way. Through regular practice, we can turn anger into compassion, fear into courage, and envy into gratitude. Chapter 4, Strengthening the Will. True strength does not lie in the absence of challenges, but in our ability to face them with determination and resilience. Meditation is a powerful tool to strengthen our will and prepare us for daily battles. This verse reminds us that with faith and meditation we can overcome any adversity. By focusing on our breath and positive thoughts, we cultivate a resilient mind, ready to face any obstacle with grace and strength. Chapter 5, The Quest for Wisdom. Wisdom is one of the most precious fruits of meditation. By silencing the mind and opening the heart, we become receptive to divine guidance and wisdom that transcends human understanding. In meditation, we cultivate the reverent fear and humility necessary to receive divine wisdom. This wisdom guides us in all areas of life, helping us to make wise decisions and to live according to high ethical and moral principles. Chapter 6, The Connection to the Divine. Meditation is not only a practice for self-knowledge, it is also a bridge that connects us with the divine. It is a sacred moment when we detach ourselves from worldly concerns and attune to the presence of God. In this silence we find God's calming and loving presence, which fills us with peace and joy. This connection strengthens us, renews us, and inspires us to live a life of purpose and meaning. Chapter 7, Personal Transformation. Personal transformation is an ongoing process, fueled by the daily practice of meditation. By committing to this practice, we embark on a journey of self-discovery and growth that transforms us from the inside out. Mind renewal is essential for personal transformation. Meditation helps us renew our thoughts, align our actions with our values and live in harmony with the divine will. Chapter 8, The Power of the Community. Although meditation is an individual practice, its impact is amplified when shared with a community. Together, we can support each other, share our experiences and grow as a whole. Community provides us with a sense of belonging and support, which is vital to our growth and well-being. By meditating together, we strengthen our bonds and create an environment of love and compassion. Chapter 9, Applying Daily Meditation. The true wisdom of meditation is in its practical application in everyday life. It is not just about sitting in silence for a few minutes, but about bringing the peace and clarity that we find in meditation to all areas of our life. As we practice meditation, we learn to live in the present, to deal with the challenges of each day calmly, and to trust in the flow of life. This attitude allows us to face difficulties with serenity and joy, knowing that we are always being guided by the divine. In our journey of self-discovery and personal growth, meditation is an indispensable tool. It enables us to overcome destructive emotions, to strengthen our will, to seek wisdom, and to connect with the divine. It is a path of transformation that leads us to a life of purpose and meaning. May we all hunger and thirst for justice, growth, and transformation. May we use the power of meditation to reach our true potential and live in harmony with the divine will. May our lives be a living testimony of the transforming power of meditation and faith. Together, we can reach great heights. Together, we can transform our lives and the world around us. The journey begins within each of us, and meditation is the first step of that journey. May we all embrace this practice with an open heart and receptive mind, ready for the transformation that awaits us.